Hello viewers, I Shivaprasad Kara welcoming you all to our channel MSK Civil Engineering Tutorial. Here we will practice civil engineering MCQs which are asked in competitive examinations. Dear friends, today we will solve the MCQs of steel structure from the chapter. It is the riveted connection, welded connection and bolted connection. Riveted connection and bolted connection are mostly same type of connection. And if you find any doubts, you can comment on inbox. And if you found that this channel is useful to you and your friend, then share my channel and like the video. शेयर सब्सक्राइब तो ज़रूर करना है आप लोग को, ठीक है। सो जो क्वेश्चंस मैं कैरी किया हूँ इस वीडियो में, वो सारे क्वेश्चंस इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज या एसएससी जेई या आरआरबी जेई या आंध्र प्रदेश पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन AEE ऐसे कुछ पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन से मैं कैरी किया हूँ, ओके। ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस आर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, सो डोंट स्किप एनी क्वेश्चंस and subscribe my channel. And if you are preparing, I have also prepared for if you are preparing for SSC JEE, I have also prepared a set of SSC JEE questions 2017. डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप लोग को लिंक मिल जाएगा। तो ज़्यादा बातें मत करके चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ, क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, if the thickness of plate to be connected by rivet is 16 mm, then suitable size of rivet as per Onwin's formula. Friends, if thickness given होगा as per Onwin's formula, diameter क्या होगा बोल्ट का, d is equal to 6.04 root over of t. t given 16, therefore answer will be 24 mm. Next question. That means in a connection, if we are providing sufficient edge distance, then which failure will be avoided? Option 1, tension failure. Option 2, shear failure of rivet. Option 3, shear failure of plate. Option 4, crossing failure of rivet. फ्रेंड्स, ये तो मुझे आप लोग को वो समझाना नहीं पड़ेगा कि ये फेल्योर कैसे होता है। अगर आप लोग को चाहिए कि फेल्योर कैसे होता है तो मैं आप लोग को अलग एक वीडियो में दे सकता हूँ। तो आंसर इसका होगा shear failure of plate. Next question number 3, minimum pitch of rivets shall not be less than. This question is directly from the specification, therefore the answer will be option 3, 2.5 D. Next question number 4, efficiency of a riveted joint having minimum pitch efficiency will be 60%. Next question, select the correct statement. Material cost of a rivet is higher than that of bolt. Option 2, tensile strength of bolt is lesser than that of rivet. Bolts are used as a temporary fastening, whereas rivets are used as permanent fastening. Option 4, riveting is less noisy than bolting. So friends, this answer will be option 3, bolts are used as temporary fastening and rivets are used as permanent fastening, because we can open bolted connection but we cannot open riveted connection because we are fastening by hammering it in both. Option 1, shearing. Option 2, bending. Option 3, axial tension. Option 4, shearing and bending. Correct answer will be option 3, axial tension. Next question, diameter of bolt hole is usually taken as option 1, gross diameter of bolt, nominal diameter plus 1.5 mm, nominal diameter plus 2 mm, or nominal diameter. आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन 3, ऑप्शन 2 करेक्ट। ऑप्शन 3 करेक्ट होगा कब, जहाँ बोल्ट का डायमीटर 25 mm से ज़्यादा होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, व्हेन द बोल्ट आर सब्जेक्टेड टू रिवर्सल ऑफ स्ट्रेस द मोस्ट सुइटेबल टाइप ऑफ बोल्ट इज ऑप्शन 1, ब्लैक बोल्ट. ऑप्शन 2, ऑर्डिनरी अनफिनिश्ड बोल्ट. ऑप्शन 3, टॉर्न एंड फिटेड बोल्ट. ऑप्शन 4, हाई स्ट्रेंथ बोल्ट. दिस आंसर विल बी हाई स्ट्रेंथ बोल्ट. फॉर रिवर्सल स्ट्रेस वी आर यूज्ड HFSG bolt, high strength friction grip bolt. Next question number 9, the cross section of a welded connection throat is option 1, minimum dimension, average dimension, maximum dimension, none of these. Friend, this will answer will be minimum dimension. If this is a welded connection, then this will be its throat. Question number 10, the effective length of a fillet weld should not less than option 1 2 times size of weld, 4 times size of weld, 6 times size of weld, option D weld size. Friends, this answer will be option B 4 times size of weld. Next question, for standard 45-degree fillet weld, the ratio of size of fillet throat thickness is ratio of size of fillet weld to throat thickness. Option 1 1:1, option 2 1:, square root, option 2 square root 2:1, option 4 2:1. The correct answer will be option 3 square root 2:1, root 2:1. Next question, a butt weld is specified by option 1 effective throat thickness, option 2 plate thickness, option 3 size of weld, option 4 penetration thickness. Answer will be option 1 effective throat thickness. Next question, question number 13, the actual thickness of butt weld as compared to thickness of plate usually. Option 1 more, option 2 less, option 3 equal, option 4 none of the above. Friends, this is called butt connection. If we are providing butt connection, butt weld in welding, the thickness of plate usually more than weld size. Question number 14, if the thickness of thinnest outside plate is 10 mm, then maximum pitch of rivet in tension will be. Friends, maximum pitch in tension is lesser of 16T or 200 mm. That means 16 into 10, 160 or 200 mm, whichever is less. So option B is the correct answer, 160 mm. If this is provided in compression, then it will be 12T or 200 mm. चलते हैं next question. When the axis of load lies in the plane of rivet group, then then the most heavily loaded rivet will be one which option 1 is at CG of rivet group, option 2 is at minimum distance from the CG of rivet group, option 3 gives the maximum angle between two pores FA and FM, option 4 gives minimum angle between two pores FA and FM. As per question, if these are the bolts, I am carrying one bolt here, this is the FA, this is FM, is the load share by moment, is the load share by axial load. According to question, how will be the load will carrying capacity will be maximum. If the angle between FA and FM is minimum, then the load carrying capacity will be maximum. So option D is the correct answer. Next question, question number 16, the difference between gross diameter and nominal diameter of both for a rivet up to 25 mm diameter is. I have already solved this question in previous. This answer will be option B 1.5 mm. Question number 17, according to IS specification, the maximum pitch of rivet in compression. Maximum pitch in compression is 12T or 200 mm. Option 1 correct answer. Question number 18, which one of the following is the mode of failure in fillet weld material? Option 1 tension failure, option 2 shear failure, option 3 bearing failure, option D crossing failure. Option 2 correct answer होगा shear failure. Next question, gap joint, option 2 single cover butt joint, option 3 double cover butt joint, option 4 all the joint mentioned in A, B and C. Friends, इसका आंसर ऑप्शन 3 डबल कोर बॉट जॉइंट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मैच द फॉलोइंग टाइप क्वेश्चन है. लिस्ट 1 गिवन फेल्यूर मोड एंड लिस्ट 2 रीजन. लिस्ट 1 शियर फेल्यूर ऑफ प्लेट, लिस्ट 2 में व्हाट विल बी द रीजन? इनसफिशिएंट एज डिस्टेंस, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ प्लेट इज लेस देन द रिवेट. Friends, shear failure, when shear failure occurs, when the edge distance is minimum, then shear failure will occur. Means 1 का करेक्ट आंसर 1 होगा. bearing failure of plate, bearing failure, when bearing failure occurs, when strength of plate is less than that of rivet. ऑप्शन 2 का आंसर 2 होगा. तो 1 का 2, 1 का 1, 2 का 2, ये ऑप्शन बी में है, तो ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट है. और फिर चेक कर लेते हैं टीयरिंग फेल्योर क्या है. टीयरिंग फेल्योर जो है वो प्लेट को ऐसे टीयर कर लेगा. तो ये कब होगा? ये जब एज डिस्टेंस इनसफिशिएंट होगा तो हो जाएगा इस टाइप का फेल्योर. स्प्लिटिंग फेल्योर ऑफ प्लेट, स्प्लिटिंग फेल्योर क्या होगा, कब होगा स्प्लिटिंग फेल्योर? अगर बोल्ट का स्ट्रेन ज़्यादा है प्लेट से. ठीक है, चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रेस इंड्यूस्ड इन फाउंडेशन बोल्ट फिक्सिंग ए कॉलम to its footing is option 1 pure compression, option 2 bearing, option 3 pure tension, option D bending. Friends, this correct answer will be pure tension. Next question, question number 22. Which of the following does not describe the weld type? Option 1 butt weld, option 2 plug weld, option 3 zigzag weld, option 4 lap weld. Which is क्वेश्चन हम लोग को पूछ रहा है कि which is not a type of weld. तो ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा, zigzag weld is not a type of weld. Next question, question number 23. When the effect of wind and earthquake load is considered, the design of rivet and bolts are for steel structure by what percent the permissible stresses may be exceeded. Friends, ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है, ऑप्शन 1 15%, ऑप्शन 2 25%, ऑप्शन 3 33.33%, ऑप्शन 4 50%. सो फ्रेंड आंसर विल बी 25%. यहाँ पे नोट में डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखा हुआ है, देख लीजिए. इफ़ वी आर कंसिडरिंग फॉर एक्स्ट्रा लोड we will carry 33.33%. If we are considering permissible stress, then this will be 25%. Next question, question number 24. A 6 mm thick a 6 mm thick mild steel plate is connected to an 8 mm thick plate by 16 mm diameter soft rivet. What is the number of rivet required to carry an 80 kN load? So friends, given that 6 mm thick mild steel plate and 8 mm is connected to 8 mm thick plate by diameter given a 16 mm to carry 80 kN. What is the number of rivet required? So friends, we can solve this by applying this formula. We can solve this by applying formula. We know that for soft rivet, shearing stress is 100 MPa and bearing stress is 300 MPa. We can calculate shearing stress for a single rivet and bearing stress for a single rivet by applying formula. By applying formula, shear D will be your 16 plus 1.5 square pi by 4 into 100. This will be your answer 24.05 kilonewton per meter square. Bearing stress will be like that. Sigma B is equal to thickness of plate into 300 into pi by 4 D square. Pi by 4 into D. This will give you 31.5 kilonewton, and number of rivet is equal to minimum of bolt value will be minimum of shearing stress and bearing stress 31.5 and 24.05. Therefore bolt value will be 24.05. By calculating 80 by 24.05, this answer will be 4. Next question, what is the permissible tensile stress in bolt used for column base? Option 1 120 Newton per mm square, option 2 150 Newton per mm square, option 3 0.6 Fy, option 4 0.4 Fy. Answer will be option 1 120 Newton per mm square. Next question, what is the maximum permissible longitudinal pitch in staggered? Maximum permissible longitudinal pitch staggered rivet. In case of staggered rivet, this will be in compression joint 300 mm. Next question, what is the ratio of yield stress in power driven soft rivet relative to permissible bearing stress of mild steel? This is your 0.8. Next question, which one of the following is correct? The permissible stress in a weld are usually taken as option 1 less than those of the parent body, option 2 equal to those of parent body, option 3 more than those of parent body, option 4 any of the desired value. Permissible stress in weld are usually taken as equal to the parent body, stress in parent body. Next question number 29. For field rebates, the permissible stresses reduced by what percent? For field rebate, permissible stresses are reduced by 10%. if field rebate 1.0 होगा, permissible stress in soft rebate 1.1 होगा, मीन्स ये पार्शियल सेफ्टी फैक्टर होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. द मैक्सिमम लॉन्गिट्यूडनल पिच अलाउड इन बोल्ट जॉइंट ऑफ टेंशन मेंबर. मैक्सिमम लॉन्गिट्यूडनल पिच हाउ मच अलाउड? दैट इज ऑप्शन 1 16 टाइम डायमीटर ऑफ बोल्ट, 32 times diameter of bolt, 16 times thickness of plate, 32 times thickness of plate. Given maximum longitudinal pitching, this will be answer option C 60 as HEX bolt M16 into 70 NL will have option 1 diameter of 16 mm, diameter of 70 mm, length 16 mm or cross sectional area 16 into 70 centimeter square. This answer will be option 1 diameter 16 mm. Next question number 32. A structural member carrying a pull of 700 kilonewton is connected to a gusset plate using rivets of 20 mm diameter. If the pull required for shearing the rivets to cross the rivets and to tear the plate for pitch length are, means हम लोग को given है कि what is strength in shearing, bearing and tearing 60, 35 and 70. Then number of rivet, how much rivet we require? We know the rivet value is the minimum of shearing, bearing and tearing, that is 35, and load given 700. So 700 by 35, number of rivet will be 20 numbers. Next question number 33. When load line coincide with CG of rivet group, then the rivet are subjected to option 1 shear only, option 2 tension only, option 3 bending only, option 4 both shear and bending. Friends, this answer will be option 1 shear only. If load line coincide with CG line, then rivet are subjected to only shear. If not coincide with CG line, then both bending and shear will be carried by bolt. Next question number 34. For reversal of stresses, the most suitable bolt is friction grip bolt. This question option that made in riveted joint analysis, means which of the following option is incorrect about adsorption? Option 1 deformation of plate is neglected, option 2 rivets are rigid, option 3 stress concentration is neglected, option 4 none of these. The correct answer will be deformation of plate is neglected. So friends, this is the last question of part 1. Thank you for viewing my channel. If you are finding that my channel is useful for your preparation, then do subscribe, like, share with your friends so that other can know about my channel and we simultaneously grow. Thank you.